Voici les enfants là qui venaient ici pour métier même aujourd'hui là. Ça c'est pour métier. Hey.
Damser on the beat.
A2L Black. K2L Veulent.
Hey, Aladji.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new Arduino tutorial. Today we'll be building a security access system using an RFID reader. What is an RFID? An RFID is just a radio frequency identification that uses electromagnetic field to automatically identify and track tags that are attached to objects. When we talk about objects here, we mean something like a key holder or a simple card. You may have seen it at the entry of banks in order to identify the personnel, or for security reasons you just pass and then you just press or swap your card at the door and then the door just opens for you. So what we are going to do is we are going to have one tag that will be authorized to enter, and then another tag which will not be authorized to enter, that is denied access. So in that case we have a red and a green LED that will be used for that. And so in order to show whether the door is open or not, we are going to use a ServoMotor, which I've already introduced in previous videos. We also have a buzzer that will be able to make noise in order if somebody is not given authorization to enter to some place, and then they should make the noise. So here we have an RFID reader. So the RFID basically it has up to 8 pins, but we'll be using only 7 of them. And then I'm going to explain it further how the cabling is being done, because if I explain one by one it may look a little bit longer. But I have to precise on something here, is that it uses the 3.3 volts from the Arduino, but it does not use the 5 volts. So be careful when we use that part. So without much talking, I think we'll pass on to the cabling of the system. So after uploading the code, let us now see how it functions. So I'm going to try. Before we continue, I have to remind you there's a library you have to download, which I'm going to put it inside the description of the code, plus the wiring of the wiring diagram. So I'm going to try it and then you see how it appears. You see, as I put, there are the tags and then some information is being written onto the serial monitor. I remove it and then I try with the other one. You see, it does the same. And then when I remove it, it goes off. Okay, so that was just to show you how it works. So now we'll be setting it all with the LED and with the buzzer to now do the authentication. So yeah, this is the code, the final code. But before we continue, we have to replace this in order to put the tag which will be used in order for the authorized access, as compared to the one that will be unauthorized access. So in order to get it, we go back to the serial monitor, and then from here we can have the tag ID. From here we'll get one tag ID, and then we are going to use it in order for it to be our user the tag we want to be the authorized one, as compared to the other one which will be unauthorized. So I'm going to enter it now. Okay, so now I'll compare with it. It means that whenever I put that tag, either the card or the key holder that has this ID, it is going to open. It's going to tell me authorized access, and it's going to open the gate for me. Else, it's going to put the unauthorized access. So from here, after doing the mounting, we are ready to read from the card. So let us see. This one, pass, it opens the door, access authorized, and then after some time the door closes. Anybody that comes to a tag that is different, it tries error. Access is denied. When I come back with my original tag, I post, and then the door opens. After some time I get in, and then the door closes. The code is found inside the description of the video plus the wiring diagram. I would like to thank you all for watching. If you have any problem, put your problems in the comments. I'm going to solve them. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you next week for another passionate tutorial video. Thank you very much.